Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So, with two people pushing brooms, about 45 minutes. We sweat that. What you're doing is brushing it on like so. Make sure you don't paint yourself where you can't get onto your ladder. Then you got to track through it. This will change the color of the roof to white. It won't absorb as much heat. It will reflect it more. And we don't want to. I want to let him get down. We don't want to put too much on, nor too little, because we do want to coat it. And we, again, remember we sealed it. The tar that we put around the edges and around the penetrations, everything's sealed up. So this should be good for about 4 or 5 years. And there's a number of different brands. They're all elastomeric roof coating that's white. There's also a cool seal that's gray. You have to stir that one up. It has oil and it separates, so you got to stir it up. But it is gray. So here we are, finishing up. This is something you can do yourself. About every 4 or 5 years, 5 years I say, need to do that. Hope that helps. See you guys. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.